This is a free campsite in the town of Wyandra in the Queensland Outback. It's got lots of space, lots of red dirt. It's got this cute little shack with lots of character. People have written things up on the walls and left their thongs and wine bottles and stuff. Got a little communal kitchen area here. A little bookshelf with things on it that looks like it's been overrun by spiders. It's got free showers, they're solar heated, even a mirror as well, which is a rarity. And around the back of the shack we have a men's and women's toilets, fully functioning, they flush. They've even got this cool little area where you put your firewood and everything in here. You can cook up here, and there's 2 separate tables, which is pretty cool. They've also got this recycling program where if you have any extra like bottles and cans and things, the funds raised go towards the state school. We've got a big fire pit here in the middle of 4 chairs. They've even provided a washing line if you decide to wash your clothes here, which I haven't seen at any campground, so the fact that this is free is quite incredible. It's got picnic tables, wide open space, bins, showers, toilets, a little communal area. It's probably one of the best campgrounds we've been to. They've even got this cute little bear on a tree that resembles a koala, and little emus that say thank you for your support. Do you boys recommend this campsite?
We do.
Do you recommend it? Before I warn you though, the flies, as you can see that just crawled on the camera, are ridiculous here. We woke up and there was probably like 200 flies just on the van. No exaggeration at all. So beware of that.